Hi, how can I get an SBA 7A loan for a franchise, and what are the steps involved? Regards, Mike.
Okay, so I'm assuming this is a startup franchise. So you're gonna gather the FDD, which is a franchise disclosure document. You're gonna have an idea what the total project costs are, and essentially, there's some lenders that love startup franchises, some lenders don't. So we have to figure out if you work with our team. Our team generally doesn't charge any fees for this. We get paid a referral fee from the bank or credit union. There's two banks that don't pay any referral fees. Obviously, we charge a packaging fee for that, which is it was pretty minimal. Really, our service is value added, and so we'll help you navigate and find the best lender, and we can do that in a very streamlined manner. So, a 7A loan or a SBA Express finances a lot of franchises. Probably 10 to 15% of all SBA 7A loans are for franchises. So, essentially, you can finance 80 to 90% of total project costs. What they're looking for is good credit score. They're looking for you to have enough for the down payment, and then what we call post-close liquidity. They usually want to see about 10%. These are just rough numbers, but primarily that's what we want. So, like, once you figure out what franchise or one or two franchises you're interested in, and you know what the range of the project costs are going to be, easiest thing to do is just go to bookwithbo.com, and I do this day in and day out. I will walk you through the process, answer your questions, and get you pointed in the right direction. And we actually will take you from A to Z through the whole process. And we work with every major PLP, which is a direct lender for the SBA. We work with credit unions and non-bank SBA lenders as well. Generally, on a franchise with no real estate, it's going to be a 10-year term based on Wall Street Journal Prime plus a margin. So your fully indexed rate, typically for a not a microloan, but a general SBA loan, so typically $150,000 or higher, is going to be Prime plus 275. Worst case scenario, that's 11 and a quarter today. However, sometimes if you have marginal credit, we do run programs through the SBA Advantage program, and their margins are higher. So they're like Prime plus up to 4.5. So your rates could actually be higher if you have marginal credit. So, but generally, it's Prime plus 275 is the highest you're going to see on a SBA 7A loan, not a micro loan. Anyways, hope that it kind of gave you a rough rundown. You can go to bookwithbo.com. Happy to meet with you and discuss your franchise, what you're looking to do. If you have questions, even if it's a little bit premature, we will help you with that. So go to bookwithbo.com. Thanks so much.
You guys asked for it, and we're building it right now. We're building a platform, a community over on School. If you're not familiar with School, it's really a paradise to bring together community. Some course creators put their courses there. Well, anyways, I get asked all the time about events and do any mastermind groups, do you do any coaching? So guys, I created businessownershipacademy.com, which actually will take you to our new school page that we're building out specifically for that point, because I know a lot of people watch the channel and they want to get involved more. They really want to take action. So really, this community that we're building, this academy, is going to be educational first, going to be community building, meeting different people throughout the nation that are entrepreneurial spirited and are really looking to take their business and life to the next level. We're going to bring on a lot of my friends, colleagues that I work with, bankers that I do deals with that specialize in the SBA 504 7A Express. We're going to bring on different franchisors that I work with so you can get a deep dive on different franchise systems and how to run these businesses. We're going to bring on operators. We're going to have them walk through case studies of business acquisitions they've done. Really everything business ownership, different business opportunities out there. We're going to unpack. We're going to do a lot of interviews with people that own multiple businesses. And I really want it to be a community to inspire and educate and help all of us take it to the next level. So if you want to be a founding member, go to businessownershipacademy.com and it'll take you right into our community there at School. It's going to be awesome. We're going to do, hopefully, at least an event every 2 weeks, if not every week. They might be just lunch and learn types of things, small groups. I'm going to really want people to network and collaborate and get people really engaged and excited to take action. Really, at the end of the day, it's taking little steps every day to move the needle. That's really what I want people to do, and that's what our community is about. So join us there. Go to businessownershipacademy.com, and I'll see you on the inside. Hey guys, Bo Exian here. If you enjoyed what you saw, please subscribe to this channel. We talk all things financing. I've been in the lending industry for over 20 years, and I'm happy to answer your questions and provide great content.